we begin, I'll just do a quick show of hands. Has anyone in here ever done any marketing mix modeling? Okay, so we've got a couple of people here. Does anyone in here who knows what marketing mix modeling is? Okay, all right, so that's a good place to start, because this presentation I'm going to take you through is going to explain what marketing mix modeling is, what the inputs that you need to build a model, and what the outputs are then. And then towards the end, we're going to have a bit of fun, and I'm going to show you a case study with a well-known brand and how Taylor Swift influenced that well-known brand. Okay, so, and then I'm going to leave some time at the end for questions. So hopefully we'll have about 5 to 10 minutes at the end for some questions as well. So first, a bit of context as to who Kochava are. So Kochava was founded in 2011. Essentially, we are